Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi, today's question comes from a calculator paper. It's around the grade 3. So read through it carefully, pick out the maths, press pause whilst you're giving it a really good go, and then play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so today's question is a little bit wordy, which can be off-putting, but it isn't too bad. And you just need to read it through and pick out the maths. Now, we're going to take ratio as our approach to solve this because this is a proportion question. Now, how can I recognize that it's a proportion question? It really comes on the part of the question where they're saying machine A makes 6 parts every 10 minutes. So if they're doing 6 in 10, they're doing 12 in 20, etc., etc. So they're growing together. And that's what gives me the indication that it's a proportion question and that ratio may help me. Let's take machine A. Machine A makes 6 parts every 10 minutes. And notice how I'm labeling this up. I want to be clear what numbers are representing what. Now, if I multiply my 10 minutes by 6, I'll get 60 minutes or an hour, which will put me in the same units for when I'm trying to work out how many parts are made in 12 hours. What you do on one side, you do to the other. So those 6 parts are multiplied by 6 to get 36. I'm then going to times my hour by 12 to get the 12 hours. And the 36 parts I can make every hour, I'll times by 12 to see how many we can make in 12 hours. Which is 432. Now I'm going to repeat the process with machine B. So 13 parts, 15 machines, all labelled up. Now I'm going to times by 4 to get to that 60 so that I can see what we're doing in an hour. And I shall do the same on the other side so that I know I'm making 52 parts. Times the hours up by 10 to get to the 10 hours in the question. And I've got 520 parts when I do the same on the opposite side. I've got to work out the total number of parts. So we add those together and we get our final answer of 952. I do hope that went well. Do join us for more. They're coming out all the time.